Right now, we're seeing a noteworthy sentiment score of plus 0.11 for the world, with a momentum spike of plus 0.30 over the last 24 hours. This is the highest momentum we've recorded in recent weeks, suggesting a significant shift in collective sentiment. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis that includes sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, allowing you to understand the nuances behind the data. Imagine leveraging this insight to adjust your content strategy or marketing approach in real time. By tapping into this sentiment shift, you can align your messaging to better resonate with the current global mood. Get started today by visiting pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's turn this data into actionable insights together.